Shipbreaker by Paolo Bacigalupi. In a world not too far off from us in the America's Gulf Coast region, there are run-aground tankers and no oil left in this world. To stay alive, they must take apart these tankers to survive. If not, they would have to do some unspeakable things. The main character, Naylor, has had a hard life growing up in a very difficult world. He's had to make several hard choices in his life just to make it to the next day, let alone the next week. Naylor is a teenage boy who is working on the light crew, which means he's small enough to fit onto the tight spaces of a ship. He's the guy who grabs all of the copper wires and anything else he can get his hands on. And if he happens to find oil, that will truly be his lucky day, because finding oil on a ship can truly change someone's life for the better. When his crew gets word of a storm that is coming, they all need to head for cover, and fast. But as the storm passes, he finds a ship that has been shipwrecked on the beach. That is where he meets a rich girl and makes a tough decision. Does he strike the boat for everything it has? Or does he save the girl and make a better life for himself? If you want to find out how this amazing story ends, you must read Shipbreaker, as well as the following two books in the series, The Drowned Cities and Tools of War. I would highly recommend these books to people who love the futuristic book. Thank you.